it. Story time. As y'all can see on the screen, she got away with schmurder. I don't know how, but let's find out.
This is how I got off on attempted murder charges. And right off the bat, this story is a sequel. All right. So said Jaina, we are going to call her Mousy. Mousy had moved down to the valley from Denver about a year prior to this incident. We both went to the same alternative school because we were both teen mamas. Now, she wasn't my homegirl, but we were cool. But that all changed because I beat up her mama twice in one night. So that's the part one to this story. Now let me add,
How you just skip past that? Like, what? How you just skip past that you beat up your friend or your associate mom twice in a day? Okay.
and Mousy were 15 at the time. And her mama was like 35, 36. So she wasn't some old lady that I beat up, okay?
What? That's your logics? Because she wasn't an old lady, it was okay. It was a parent.
And she came for me, not the other way around. So with that being said, Mousy felt some type of way
I should.
towards me, which who could blame her? Because I know if she would have beat up my mama, which wouldn't have happened, I would have showed up at her house as well. So anyways, it was a bright, sunny day. Just kidding. Me and my sister-in-law had just went outside because we were going to go clean up my 84 Monte Carlo so we could go cruising that night. So she slides in the back seat. I get in the front. I'm just right there flipping through my CDs, seeing what we're about to fucking bump to. And I heard a car pull up. At the time, we had lived on a corner lot, like right next to a stop sign and across the street from a park. So, I didn't pay the car no mind. Well, after a couple of seconds, it wasn't driving away. So I turned over and I looked, and lo and behold, it's motherfucking Mousy. And she's just looking at me. Not mad dogging me, but just looking at me. So I'm like, do you got a fucking problem? And she's like, I'm gonna go drop my daughter off real quick and I'll be right back. Like, what? Bitch, get the fuck out of here. Like, why the fuck did you bring her in the first place? Fuck out my face. So, and my sister, my older sister, came out and she's like, who the fuck was that? I was like, motherfucking Mousy. Says she's coming back. She's like, okay, well, let me know. So me and my sister-in-law go about our business, go on with our limpia. And about an hour later, we're finishing up and I hear... So I get out the car and I look down the corner and there's Mousy and her posse. She rolled up about 10 deep. So I'm like, hold on, I'll be right back. So me and my sister-in-law went in the pad and I'm like, hey sis, Mousy's back with the motherfucking posse. She's like, oh, she wants to bring people? All right. She's like, get over here so I could braid your hair real quick. So as she's braiding my hair, she's making maybe like 3 phone calls. Like, Mousy done fucked up. I'm from the valley. She's not. She's a visitor. So before you knew it, my front yard was filled with people. So I'm in the house rubbing down with Vaseline. My sister's finishing up my hair. And me, her, and my sister-in-law go outside. And right as we walk out, my jefita gets out of work and she pulls up. She's like, what the fuck is all this? And I was like, look. So she looks over there and she's like, all right. So my jefita gets out the car. Me and her start walking towards them. And let me paint you a quick picture. Like, it was a Saturday. It was beautiful outside. All my neighbors next door, across the street, outside doing their yard work. There was all kinds of dudes playing basketball at the park, kids playing on the playground. Like, people were just outside. Like we were back in my day. So anyways, as me and my mom are walking towards them, her and her mom start walking towards us. and my brother-in-law's standing like right here. So I take my pew pew out and I hand it to him, and I'm like, whatever you do, do not fucking give this.
She was a teenager, right? Did I miss something? She wasn't a grown up because she already got a car and a gun already. I could have swore she said she was a teenager, but maybe I didn't. Maybe some years in past. I don't know.
I got you. Yeah, right. So as we're walking up, this fucking hyena has her hand behind her back. And I stopped and I was like, what do you got behind your back? And she's like, come here and I'll show you. I'm like, bitch, what the fuck you got behind your back? And her mom's like, show her, stab that bitch. I lost it. I saw red. I ran up to my brother-in-law and I was like, give me my shit. And he's like, no, remember? I said, give me my fucking shit. He handed it over and I turned around, was walking up to her. I cocked it. I pointed it at her head. I said, oh, you want to play with weapons, bitch? And bam, my arm slammed up. My mom and her homeboy were fighting me for the damn pew-pew. Do not ask me how that motherfucker did not go off. Everybody's running, ducking, dodging, diving, screaming. It was a hot mess. So my mom and her homeboy are dragging me and trying to get me in the house. Right as they got me in the house, the juras pulled up. Come back.
Yo,
for part
these
2.
Words.
Or should I say part 3?
Juras.
This is how I got off.
I've never heard of that before. This is some off the wall stuff here. She pulled the gun. Like, was she a teenager? I'm so confused. Y'all got let me know in the comments because I'm so confused of if she was a teenager or not. It sounds like she was a gang member. She kind of looked like kind of like a cholo. She say all these crazy words. Look at the hand tattoos, all of that. Like she looked like a cholo. She looked like the cholo. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Don't do it, man. Curse, don't do it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Yeah, man. It's a lot of these fights. You know what's crazy? I see a lot of way more women fights nowadays than I see men fights. Men fights aren't as prevalent as women fights these days. I'm just saying, dudes do more shooting and all of that. They not even fighting no more. They scared to get slapped in the face. But women are really brawling out here, like brawling in broad day, everywhere. It's sad because I hate seeing it. I really hate seeing women fight. It is horrible. Other dudes. The only thing good about it is if a nipple pop out or something. Other than that, nobody cares. I don't really care about women fighting this shit. I don't want to see that shit. But yeah, shout out to her for getting out of that situation because she definitely was going down for sure. Miss Cholo, she got all these different sound things that she says when she talking. Her jefita. I never heard of her jefita. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, because I'm Jefe right there. Blick in the ticker. It's been, y'all can see everything. I'm out this bitch working, yeah, she. Follow me on all platforms, URBENCURSE or Undiluted Vision. There's no TikTok or nothing like that for this channel yet. Because I didn't know what I was doing with this channel.
I got stuck. Hey, I'm not editing this shit. Make sure y'all like, or you gon' die.